Hello everyone. Thank you for having me. My name is Arthur, and I'm going to be speaking to you today about
portable air conditioners.
After watching this video, if you found information here helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like this video to continue making more top 10 videos. Also turn notification on to get latest videos uploaded.
Whynter portable air conditioners offer mobile and convenient cooling solutions anywhere you need it. With an easy setup and powerful cooling, Whynter portable air conditioners provide a convenient way to stay cool and comfortable. The Whynter ARC-14SH 14,000 BTU portable air conditioner is a highly effective dual hose unit that provides exceptionally effective cooling when you need it most. Utilizing a dual hose system, this unit is able to more efficiently cool and maintain the conditions within a room. This portable air conditioner comes in two versions: the ARC-14S, which is a cool-only unit, and the ARC-14SH, which has a heat pump function that can be used as a space heater during cooler weather. For the portable air conditioner to cool effectively, the hot air the unit removes from the room needs to be vented to the outside. The window venting kits that come with our Whynter portable air conditioner fits most standard windows. You may make a custom modification and vent the exhaust through a wall or into a drop ceiling. Lift the window and adjust the window slide bars to the width or height of your window. Next, tighten the screws to hold the slide bars in position. Make sure the grooved side of the window slide bar is facing inside. Insert the fixtures to the holes of the window slide bar. Make sure the two closure tabs of the fixture are facing the inside. Install the 4 screws of the fixture from the inside. The end of the screws should point towards the outside. Close the window tightly enough to hold the slide bar in place. Attach the hose connectors to both ends of the hoses. Attach one end of the hoses to the back of the air conditioner. Extend the hoses as needed and attach the other end to the window slide bar. The easy setup process is complete. You can now enjoy your Whynter portable air conditioner. Pull open the top air vent. Power on the unit using the control panel. Select Cool Mode by pressing the Mode button. Set desired temperature by pressing the plus and minus buttons. Select fan speed by pressing the fan button. This unit comes equipped with a pre-filter as well as an odor neutralizing carbon filter.
When the weather is hot, you need an efficient way to stay cool. SereneLife's portable air conditioners are your solution to staying comfortable when outside temperatures rise. A sleek, modern design is packed with an efficient cooling system that can go anywhere around the house, at the office, or even out in the garage. With remote control access, you can quickly and easily shift through modes of cooling, fan, and dehumidifier. Select your desired temperature without interrupting your relaxation. Smooth rolling caster wheels allow for easy transport between rooms, so you can bring comfort to any area of the house. Simply roll to your desired location, easily install the windowsill, attach the flexible vent hose, and feel the cool breeze quietly generated just for you. Save energy by cooling only the spaces you need. Everyone knows cooler temperatures help you rest better, and with SereneLife's portable AC, you no longer have to cool your entire home to get optimal sleep. Fan, and dehumidifier. Desired temperature. Smooth rolling caster wheels allow for easy transport between rooms. Simply roll to your desired location, attach the flexible vent hose, and feel quietly generated just for you. Everyone knows cooler temperatures help you rest better, and with SereneLife's port, with their super quiet operation and built-in, the dehumidifier mode allows you to control moisture levels as well, making your air feel fresher by reducing. A built-in 24-hour timer allows you to set cooling times to your schedule. Everything you want in one space-saving unit by SereneLife.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Edwin Velez here with another exciting addition to the Cooper&Hunter lineup. This is the new Cooper&Hunter STLS Portable Inverter AC. This is a 14,000 BTU portable AC, giving you the ability to cool a space up to 600 square feet. The Cooper&Hunter STLS introduces an industry-first 2-in-1 hose-in-hose design. This enables the STLS to form indoor air circulation to prevent hot air from seeping back in through the windows or the doors, cooling the room more quickly and effectively. Unlike your traditional portable ACs that are on and off heat pump systems, the STLS introduces a variable fan speed motor which allows this system to achieve 20% faster cooling capacity and up to 40% in energy savings. The STLS is a multifunctional portable AC with 5 different modes. You have cooling, heating, fan, dehumidification, and auto. You could control this device anywhere utilizing the Cooper&Hunter remote application, or you could connect with Alexa and Google Home. And the great thing is the STLS is extremely quiet, only reading in at a 42 decibel reading. It is so quiet you could even have it in a library. With both of the drain plug connections, they are threaded, so that way you can connect your standard garden hose for a direct connection outside. Now the Cooper&Hunter STLS is a great solution because it requires no professional installation. You plug it in, set up your hose, and you're all set to go. And it's a great application for any needs, whether it's your in-laws visiting or your air conditioner's not working and you need to have that auxiliary air conditioning equipment here. Really can be applied to almost any situation, whether it's work, home, whatever the circumstance may be. The STLS will take care of those needs and keep you cool in the process.
Hello again, and thank you for watching. Today we're going to demo the Paris Rhone air cooler. So we received this air cooler just recently from Paris Rhone. Let's go ahead and get this thing opened up, and should expect to find in here. And first thing I see is just what we anticipated here. Comes with a battery already, so you pull the tab to activate the battery. Comes with the 2 ice packs. We got the tower unit here. And our manual. So we'll get this attached here to the base. The ice packs that it comes with are not frozen yet. I'm going to go ahead and add our own ice instead into the reservoir before I finish filling it up with water. Not sure how close we are to a 2-liter mark there. We'll add it the rest of the way with water. Okay, so it can go up to here. Excellent. So this is more than 1.5 gallons of water. 6 liters is. So we can go ahead and get this in here, and we'll slide it in. So our Paris Rhone unit here is now plugged in. We've filled it up with water and ice, and We can go ahead and remove the battery cover from the remote control. Just pull it out like that. And we should be able to power it on. There it goes. There's an air filter as well to help keep your air filtered and clean and ensure the unit will last longer as well. So this will blow the air like a tower fan, but it also adds moisture to your air as a humidifier and cools your air with the ice packs in the back and the cool water. Again, very nice quality product from Paris-Rhone. Knocks the socks off of a tower fan just because of the extra things that it will do. Paris-Rhone air cooler. And thank you to Paris-Rhone. This is another beautiful product from our friends at Paris-Rhone. And hope you love it as much as we do.